Last month, the Monroe County Sheriff's Department released a detailed list of its felony drug investigations so far this year.
One thing that stands out is the rising number of infants born with drugs in their system. Stephen Pimpo spoke with law enforcement and medical professionals today about the disturbing trend, and he joins us in the studio with the story. Stephen.
Andrea Winston, according to Stanford Children's Health, just growing up around addiction to drugs and alcohol can lead to learning disabilities or behavioral issues in children. Being exposed to cocaine in the womb can stunt a child's growth. Either way, the children could face lifelong ailments through no fault of their own. Meth, cocaine, morphine, and heroin. Those are some of the drugs that Neonatal Intensive Care Unit Director Dr. Zahair Al-Goody says he finds most often in infants exposed to drugs during pregnancy.
When mother get exposed to drug, it will affect the baby in some way, either early after birth or in their lifetime. But the earlier they get exposed, the worse it's going to be.
Known as neonatal abstinence syndrome, Dr. Al-Goody says the NICU at North Mississippi Medical Center Gilmore Amory has seen a tremendous increase in these cases during the last 4 to 5 years.
I can say comfortably more than 500% increase in how many babies we take care of here.
The Amory Hospital is currently treating one infant in their NICU who was born with drugs in their system. The child is less than 1 week old. The Monroe County Sheriff's Department says deputies have made 9 felony child abuse arrests so far this year involving babies exposed to drugs in the womb.
The cost of the narcotics has gone down so much that they're easily accessible. It's here.
Dr. Al-Goody estimates they treated 5 to 7 infants in 2021.
The hospital here, whenever we discover a case of exposure or addiction from the mother's side, we have a social worker who's dedicated to go ahead and help the mother.
Anyone that needs any kind of assistance in getting clean, going to rehab, anything to that nature, we will most definitely work with them and get them anything that we can possibly help them with.
Lieutenant Spencer Woods, who oversees child abuse cases for the Monroe County Sheriff's Department, says this is a nationwide problem with no easy answer. Meanwhile, Dr. Al-Goody says that the growing trend of early drug exposure could have a lasting impact on future generations.
It's going to be affecting the whole society by doing this, because as a society we depend on those newborns, going to carry on our future.
Lieutenant Woods says that one short-term solution is to continue emphasizing proper drug education programs in school, which is something he believes those in his generation did not have.